Learn Chinese speaking directly. The Chinese language sound system is quite simple. It has only 414 monosyllabic sounds. Each of them is made of one initial and one final. Like Zhong is one syllable sound. It made from one initial and one final sound. The word he is another one syllable sound. It is made of one initial and one final sound. The language has only 23 initials and 24 finals, then compose 414 monosyllabic sounds. So Chinese sound system, Pinyin, is quite simple, just has a few elements. Then, how to learn Chinese speaking? With a direct way or with an indirect way? Inside China, native Chinese never use Pinyin to learn Chinese speaking. All of them speak directly and read directly. Outside China, since 1958, the Pinyin system was introduced to Chinese language. Using Pinyin as an indirect way to teach Chinese speaking for foreigners has been used worldwide. Indirect way is inefficient. The result is disappointed. Please refer to the previous video for the detailed explanation. Following, I'm going to explain how to learn Chinese speaking directly. The language sound system is at the behind of every word's pronunciation. When you speak 一、二、三, you are leveling the whole pronunciation system. 12 words 一、二、三、四、五、天、你、我、他、他们、好 include 12 initials and 12 finals. It is already half of the total basic sounds. Normally, foreign students can learn and speak these 12 words in 2 hours. 60 words include 60 initials and 60 finals. It is 2.5 times of total basic sounds. Normally, foreign students can learn and speak 60 words in 10 hours. After that, further word speaking will become easier and easier. Learning Chinese speaking directly is simple and effective. It has been used by all Chinese in thousands of years. It is also suitable for foreign students. Key notes for Chinese speaking. Every word sound is a single syllable. It likes a piano key sound, always the same, never changes, no matter it is in statement or in question. Each sound is pronounced with the same pattern. Voice dash out at the beginning and then gradually die off. It is same for Pinyin 4 tones. 一、二、三、四、五、天、你、我、他、他、 门好妈马马妈妈马马妈妈马马妈。Practice speaking slowly at the beginning and then quick. Try your best to pronounce accurately. 一五好Chinese language do not have a question tone, so foreign students must avoid to use question tone to speak Chinese. In English, we have tones like statement tone and question tone, like you, and questions you, Dave, its questions Dave, Rich is rich. In Chinese language, we do not have a question tone, but we have some question word like ma, say, zhen, but we do not have a question tone. Ni, we should pronounce like ni. Do not pronounce like ni. It is in English question tone. It will cause lots of confusion for foreigner. 很 we should pronounce like 很好很早很大 not 很好很早 This is not right because this is in question tone. It's not alright in Chinese oral language. 好你好好人早上好 That's alright. We should not pronounce like 好 It is in question tone. 好你好好人早上好 That's not right in Chinese oral language. By now, I have explained how to pronounce Chinese words accurately. Following, I will explain how to remember the word sounds. It is also important. Firstly, since Chinese word writing do not have any relation with the sound, so in order to read the word, we need to build a direct reflection between them. There's no other way around. Secondly, sound only exists in speaking and muscle memory, so we can only learn speaking by speaking. Thirdly, Chinese word sound is very difficult to remember separately. We need to remember what sounds in sentence, read and recite sentence fluently. In that way, to set up a Chinese speaking base. In a word, the only way to remember Chinese word sounds is by reading and reciting short sentences, such as 一二三四五天，你我他他们好。时间几分钟呢？地点在哪里呀？
一、二、三、四、五天，你、我、他、他们好。
一二三四五天，你我他他们好。
上中下和前后，早午晚左精明。
请问谁来帮亲？谢您有爱心啊！
时间几分钟呢？地点在哪里呀？
人间那些事有人的这样子妙。